Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to make a video for Fiverr gig using Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC. Go to the search bar, type in Invideo AI login. Hit enter and you will see some search results. Click on Invideo AI official website and you'll be navigated to this page. Here, click on the login button at the top right corner, then log in using your user credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new account and you will be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to just give Invideo AI a topic, language and a detailed instruction. So the simple step is just navigate to this prompt box, type in, for example, create a YouTube explainer video about how gear mechanics work. It should be comprehensive with realistic images added to it. The length should be 2 minutes. After typing in your prompt and describing how do you want your video to look like, you will have to click on this generate a video button in the blue. When you click on generate a video, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to choose your audience. So I have these options for my audience, whether my audience is engineering students, mechanic enthusiasts or DIY hobbyists. So I will choose my audience as mechanics enthusiasts. Now choose how do you want your video to look and feel like. So I will choose clean. Now you'll have to choose the platform where you want to post your video. So I'm going to choose YouTube and click on continue. So when you click on continue, it will show a screen that will look something like this. This will show up the progress in the process. It's currently planning music, finding voices and doing all the things that a video creation needs. So you'll have to wait for a while and after this process gets completed, you will get a finished video that you can use for your YouTube or any other platforms. So this is the video we created using our prompt. I will play this. Now you can click on the download button just below it and choose the plan you want. If you don't want any watermarks, you'll have to choose no watermarks, but it requires to upgrade your plan. So I'm going to choose a stock watermarks. I will choose normal Invideo AI branding. You can select the download resolution. I will choose 1080 and click on continue. After I click on continue, I'll be able to download this video quickly. Now you can use this newly created video for your Fiverr gig. Just navigate to fiverr.com, click on the add gig button, add this video as your gig on your Fiverr and it's done. So that's the simple way through which you can make video for Fiverr gig using Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.